Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my review on this Tribesigns Rustic wood end table. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are thinking about getting this wood end table. And so this is what my living room actually looks like, where we have our modular couch and then we have the end table here. So this is a pretty heavy duty rustic wood end table. It's not meant to be moved around. It's meant to just stay in one place. It took me about, I'd say, 1.5 hours to assemble, but the instructions were rather clear. It came in nice packaging, and all the materials that I needed were there to begin with. Now, with this rustic wooden end table, it's got a nice, charming feature to it as far as it's a smooth top, it's a smooth side, and then the unique thing about it is that it's got ample storage space inside. So, what this looks like inside is that it's actually see through. So what I mean by that is there's no wall there, that's the actual couch. So it does go through. So what I've seen people put here is that I've seen them put dog beds, I've seen them put magazines, books, plants. So the possibilities are limitless as far as what you could actually place inside there. But regardless, it is a decent amount of storage space that you can place inside there. As far as the top goes, we have it just a clean with some coffee holders right over here or cup holders. And then on the other side, again, you just have a clean surface. So with that being said, I'm pretty pleased with this. We do plan on getting another one to kind of go on the other side of our couch. But if you're interested in getting it, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.